We begin at noon with a tragic upstate death investigation. I'm Aaron Baker. Two people were found dead on New Year's Day in Cherokee County, and investigators think it could be from carbon monoxide poisoning. The coroner says they were discovered yesterday around 5 p.m. at a home on Trenton Road. Officials say police were called to the home for a welfare check after reports from concerned neighbors. And when police got there, officers say they noticed a strong odor. They say Gaffney Fire shut the gas supply to the house, and inside the home, 71-year-old James Rennie and 76-year-old Deborah Rennie Drum were found dead. Investigators say they were located in separate bedrooms, and at this time, foul play isn't suspected. An autopsy still needs to be done, but right now the coroner believes the two died from carbon monoxide poisoning. The investigation is ongoing.